Oh, Father, tell me, do we get what we deserve? Oh, we get what we deserve. And where down we go, oh, 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 where down we go, oh, 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 so where down we go, oh, 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 way down we go. Whoa, you let your
It's upside down right now. 3 pieces of plywood, carve the back out. The wall brace, the wood that I'm going to put on the wall goes in there. And that should go there.
Oh, 'cause they will run you down to the door. Yeah, someday we'll run you down to